To add the Tron network to your MetaMask wallet, start by opening the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app. Click on the Add Network button and select Custom RPC. You will need to enter the Tron network details, including the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. The Tron network details are as follows. Network name is Tron. RPC URL is https api.trongrid.io. Chain ID is 91. Currency symbol is TRX. And block explorer URL is https://tronscan.org. Enter these details into the corresponding fields and click the Save button to add the Tron network to your MetaMask wallet. Once you have added the Tron network, you will be able to send and receive TRX and other Tron-based tokens. Make sure to verify that the network has been added successfully by checking the Network drop-down menu in MetaMask, where you should see the Tron network listed. To ensure the security of your wallet, always use the official RPC URL and never share your wallet seed phrase or private keys with anyone. Additionally, be cautious when interacting with smart contracts and only use reputable sources to avoid potential scams. By following these steps, you can easily add the Tron network to your MetaMask wallet and start exploring the world of Tron-based decentralized applications and tokens. Remember to always prioritize security and use best practices when managing your cryptocurrency wallet.